Hey everyone, I'm Jason Chapman and welcome to MarineMax Rogers. Today we're going to take a look at a 2024 Sea Ray SDX 290. So 29-foot traditional open bow here. We do have our stainless steel components and the rub rail down the side. This also has the horizon hull color, so it's kind of a gray blue finish on it. Looks really nice out in the sun. Our tower here is white and it has the horizon color that matches the hull side. And then as we make our way to the swim platform here, have a lot of room to jump on and off the boat. We do have a manual swim step that does go down into the water, so you can enter the boat that way or by the ladder as well. And this is powered by a 350 horsepower Mercruiser, so it's going to be a lot of fun out in the water here in Minnesota. Let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. All right, so welcome inside. Starting here on the swim platform, we have a nice starboard entryway inside the boat. We do have the two transom loungers here, so it's a great spot to hang out and relax, especially if you're anchored out there in a cove somewhere. As we make our way inside, 29-foot boat, so you have plenty of room on here. We do have our L-shaped seating, tons of storage underneath all the seats here. And then also on our starboard side, we do have a sink, as well as a faucet, and then we do have our refrigerator. So it's a neat option on this boat to keep those drinks cold and or food that you bring on the boat. So looking at the tower here, we do have our bimini top, so this does deploy out for a lot of sun protection. This is a manual tower that folds down, so if you need to get this underneath a bridge, under a lift, or where you're storing it, you'll be able to do so. I do like these backrests on the SDX line that fold backwards, so if you're anchored or just cruising around, it's a great spot to hang out and relax. In-floor storage, we have our dune upholstery and then also the tan glue-down sea deck. Here at the helm, tilt steering wheel, you have your Fusion audio, Simrad display screen, so you're going to be able to go through and look at your engine diagnostics, your navigation, chart plotting. Everything's going to be very accessible here at the helm. Since this is powered by a 350 Mercruiser, we do have the digital throttle and shift. Over here on our port side, got a lot of room down here below on our head. Making our way into the bow, this is a nice center walkthrough. Underneath our helm here, we have a great spot for either storage. We do have a table down there as well. It's a good place to put life jackets, throw cushions, and other belongings. And then what you get on the SDX line, it's going to be a wider bow here, seating on either side. Really comfortable armrests that do come down. More in-floor storage, cup holders below. This boat's loaded up. We do have a windlass anchor up here as well. It's a 2024 Sea Ray SDX 290. It's located here at our store in Rogers. It's almost summertime. This is a great opportunity. Give us a call or walk right on in. We'd love to show you around. Thanks for watching.